So this is my wife's Dyson AirWrap hair dryer. And usually you have a whole bunch of different attachments you could put on the top, and you can replace them by unlocking the AirWrap. Interesting thing is she never cleaned the AirWrap. So, and it's been a couple years. You need to make sure that this filter air intake area is as clean as possible. As you can see on this one, it is pretty much blocked. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to just quickly clean this area. And it is actually quite easy. Okay, so when you buy the AirWrap, it's going to come with a whole bunch of different accessories. The most important accessory you need is the filter cleaning tool. Okay, do not lose this. This is used to clean the AirWrap. So all you have to do, get this into the line. I'm doing this with one hand, but ideally you would have both hands. And you're gonna try to get this on there. And then you're gonna try to turn this in this kind of motion, like a rotating motion. I'm gonna go ahead and do this properly with both hands. I'm gonna show you how it looks like after it's been cleaned with just turning left and right and go up and down a little bit to clean this filter properly, okay? And then we'll go to the next step of filter clean. There we go. You see how much weird stuff that came out? That's from a couple years of not cleaning the filter. And today she just gave this to me, which I'm surprised. Okay, so almost looks as good as this step can make it to look like, okay? Now we're gonna expose the filter. So, okay, so this is the first step, all right? You can see already most of the dust is out. The next step you're gonna do is cleaning this filter in running water. And there's a lining button. So all you have to do, pull this out. And once this is pulled out, you can see there are still some dust and dirt on this piece of metal, which I think is affixed to the thing. What you can do, get a toothbrush and just gently brush whatever hair that is left in here, okay? Still plenty. And as you can see, immediately all the dust is gone. So make sure you do this at least once every 1 to 2 months, depending on how often you use the AirWrap. If you have the Dyson hair dryer, it's gonna be the similar thing. Clean the filters to make sure it's in perfect working condition. And if your wife does not know about this, you can do it for your wife and she'll be much happier and have always a nice functioning hair dryer, okay? The next step, we're gonna actually go wash this filter in the running tap water. And you're gonna, once you slip this out, okay, there's the alignment thing. So you put this in here like this, it's magnetic. You take it out and you could split this by just gently pry. Okay, you pry, it opens. This is a plastic filter. It's got very fine mesh in it that you're gonna take to your sink and just wash this on running warm tap water, a mild dishwashing detergent, and let it dry fully. And we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna come back after everything's dried, put everything back together, and give it a quick test, okay? Show you guys how dirty that filter is without cleaning. This is all dust and all other weird stuff, okay? So I'm gonna go clean this first. So I dried out this super fine mesh, which is the outer filter. And I cleaned up this metal mesh inside using a toothbrush. And the remaining part left to do is put this filter back on the Dyson AirWrap. And my wife should have a functioning AirWrap once more. This is how you're gonna clean the air filter properly. Okay, so first use that little brush, get the hairs off, then take it out, clean it, and finally dry it properly and completely, and then put it back on the air wrap. Pretty easy process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel for more tips and videos to help make your wife happy. Okay, so thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.